How to sign up for Reelshot. New to Reelshot, signing up is a gateway to powerful video editing features. This guide will show you quickly how to create your new account and start your creative journey. First, open the Reelshot app on your iPhone. If it's your first time, it might greet you with a welcome screen just like this. Usually Reelshot does not require to log in or create an account. But if it's a newer version, look for the sign up or create account option. Tap on it and you will be presented with a registration form. Enter your desired email address, create a strong password, and perhaps a username, depending on Reelshot's specific requirements. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy by checking the required boxes. Finally, tap register or create account to complete the process. You are now ready to dive into Reelshot's amazing editing tools. You've successfully signed up for Reelshot. Start editing your videos like a pro. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot creative tips.